Hi guys, welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm showing you how to get the dislike button back on YouTube. Now, as you might know or not know, YouTube actually removed the dislike button. Well, it's still there, but you can't see how much dislikes a video has anymore. So today I'm going to show you how to actually show the amount of dislikes a video has. So I'm going to start off by going to YouTube. Okay. So I was searching for a video that has a lot of dislikes. Not that it really matters, but yeah, I did thought about YouTube Rewind who has a lot of dislikes. So let's do the most recent one. I believe it's this one. I think I watched it like once. Okay, so here's the video, and as you can see down here, you cannot see the amount of dislikes it has. So now I'm going to show you how to actually show them. So what we're going to do is going to go to new tab here, type in Chrome Store. Alright, so we'll go to the first one here. Alright, so you want to make sure you're on extensions here. I'm just going to search for return. So it should say return YouTube dislike, and it's dislike button, you get it. As you can see, this is the first one for me. If you do like YouTube dislike or YouTube dislike button, you get a couple of results. But I found that this one works best for the moment, return YouTube dislike. So as you can see here, it actually used also YouTube Rewind as an example. And so this is the extension. We're going to do auto Chrome. Gonna say auto extension. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Now what you want to go do first is actually go to your extensions here, manage extensions. And just make sure that it's enabled. Right now, as you can see, it is enabled. So now I have to close everything, so including the video. And now you basically just want to go back to YouTube. Alright, so let's go back to the video. It's right here. And as you can see, you're now able to see the amount of dislikes the video actually has. I'll actually show you another example if you want. So let me actually go back, show another example. Alright, and as you can see, this one you can actually also see the real-time dislikes that it has. And this one has actually more likes than dislikes. I guess that the 2017 video wasn't as bad. I think I remember. But yeah, you can see how much dislikes it actually has, like with the other video. This works with every video, of course. So yeah, that's how you actually can see dislikes on a video right now. Any case, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.